Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you are fine. This is class 9th, subject General Science. Our today's topic is work done by a constant force. Work done by us. Today we will discuss how work is defined in science. To understand this, we shall first consider the case when the force acting is in the direction of displacement. In the direction of displacement. Let a constant force F act on an object. Let the object be displaced through a distance s in the direction of force. Consider करा कि constant F हसा act करा कत objects पे पता हसा वना ये object हसा displace गसा through distance s in the direction of force पता वना let W हसा वना करा W work हसा done गसा we define तेल वनो इस work यह हसा equal कत बराबर work to be equal to the product of force and displacement. You see, work barabar, it is the product of force applied on object and the displacement or the distance traveled by an object. Then work done is equal to force into displacement, or W is equal to F into S. F into S. So we can say that thus work done by a force acting on an object barabar. Thus we can say that work done by a force acting on an object, it is equal to the magnitude of force. It is equal to the magnitude of force. Then we see work done by a force acting on an object it is equal to the magnitude of force multiply distance moved in the direction of the force. In the direction of the force. Then one is work done by a force acting on an object it is equal to the product of magnitude of the force applied multiplied by the distance moved in the direction of the force. But you see, work it has only magnitude but no direction. So we can say that you see work it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Kus quantity? Scalar quantity, because it has only magnitude but no direction. We know that W is equal to F into S. If in this equation, if F is equal to 1 Newton and distance S is equal to 1 meter, then the work done by the force will be 1 Newton meter. Here this unit of work is so we can say that the unit of work is Newton meter or joule. So we can say that thus 1 joule is the amount of work done on an object. 1 joule is the amount of work done on an object when a force of 1 Newton displaces it by 1 meter along the action of the force. Is the 1 joule has the amount of work force of 1 Newton has applied on object displace through a distance of 1 meter along the line of action of force. This guy has shown us you see work done on an object is 1 joule. Then one is you see SI unit of work is joule. Then 1 joule यहाँ से कहाँ बराबर 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton 1 meter. 1 meter. When object, 1 joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces an object through a distance of 1 meter. Through a distance of 1 meter. This is you see work done is the 1 joule. This is the work done by a constant force.